Hey y'all, it's your girl Pretty Miss Marcia, and today we are doing a hair review. It will be a crochet hair review on the Freetress Butterfly Locks, which I currently have in my head. Y'all, I really like these locks. In this video I'm going to get into the pros and the cons and all things of that nature, so let's just get straight into it. So I got these locks. Tomorrow would make it 4 weeks ago since I've had these locks, so it'll be 4 weeks starting tomorrow. And as you guys can see, they still look pretty good and pretty fresh. I have these in a 24-inch. So with these locks, I actually have a pack right here so y'all can know what it looked like. Oh, I hope my ring light is not too bright, y'all. Oh, child, I hope y'all can see it. But like I said, it's a 24-inch. I got these in a color 1B, but they come in multiple colors, y'all. Multiple different colors that you can get these crochet locks in. Here's one outside of the pack, outside of the first pack, so you can see how they come when you first get them. So as you can see, it's already like has that beautiful distressed lock look. And then here's the crochet hole, which is a decent size, so it won't be like that difficult for you to bring it through when you crochet them in. I did not do these myself. I had someone else do these for me. So the method that was used was I always forget the name of this method, y'all. I think it's is it invisible crochet method? Invisalign. It's not Invisalign. That's teeth, right? I'm drawing a blank. I will insert the name of the method used, like either right here somewhere on this screen. But basically the method like helps it look like it's more individual like. So as y'all can see, like y'all can probably tell the method from right here. It's like, I guess, chain locks to make it look like it's individual method. I got this method so it looks more natural, so like I could pull them up in the front, or if I wanted to I could pull these braids up in the back, but I normally don't pull them up in the back because I really got them for the length. I like how long they are. I am 5'9", so these fall, as y'all can see, kind of touching my butt, but like to my lower back side, kind of, I want to say to my butt. It's not past my butt, but it's touching like the tip of my butt, y'all. So I really love the length of these. I'm pretty sure these come in a 12-inch, different inches, but I got the 24 because like I said, I wanted them long. They're really full and thick looking, which I really like about this style. I used about, I want to say 6 packs. I didn't use the entire pack of the 6, but 6 packs, about 6 packs of hair. I encourage you to get 7 just in case. That's why I have this extra pack left over. But about 6 packs if you wanted this full looking. So pros about this hair, like I said, it already has that like beautiful distressed look, which I love because like the older they get, the better. I'm sorry y'all, I ran out of storage. I had to delete some videos, but what I was saying, yeah, it already has that like distressed look to them, so like the older they get, the better they will look. And as y'all can see, I told y'all I only had them in 4 weeks and they still look good. Another thing that I really like about these locks is that although it's a really full look, like it's really full, they are not heavy. Now I'm not gonna lie, the first time I got them done it felt a little heavy, but like now it's like I really don't feel it at all. So they're really lightweight. That's a good pro about them. As far as reusing them, I don't know about that. I know people reuse their like crochet hair. I don't think I would reuse these. So let's get into the cons, y'all. The cons is that these can get like a little nappy at times, like kind of stuck together or whatever, but it's really not that bad. Like it won't make me not buy them again. Like I would definitely buy them again. It won't make me not buy them anymore. It's that, and then some of them, like as you can see, this kind of like came a little loose. It come a little loose, but it's still like, hold on, can y'all see that? It's still kind of curly, so it's still cute. So some of them came a little loose, which is not that big of a deal. Like I could always, if I didn't like it, I could cut it and just burn it off and it'll still look good. Oh, I really like, so this how it came. Like I really like how tight the ends are. They're coiled, but like I said, like after some time they do like come a loose a little bit. Not too bad. Like I said, it don't look that bad. You could always like take it and rewrap it around the dread like that. I did one of mine like that earlier, and rewrap it around the dread, so it's really not that big of an issue. Y'all, I really don't really have cons about this hair. Like as far as, I think like 13 braids, about 13 braids come in a pack. So if you go to your beauty supply store, y'all, this is gonna cost you about $16-15 a pack, which I wasn't going for it. So what I did was I went on ebonyline.com, and they had a sale, so I was able to get mine for $10 a pack. So I ended up spending, like, after shipping and all of that good jazz, I ended up spending maybe about $80 or $86 versus me having to spend like $115 or $120 at the beauty supply store. And they shipped my stuff real quick, y'all. This ain't no sponsor video. Like I'm just putting y'all on game. They shipped it real quick. They always have like a coupon code for like flat shipping, so it's either gonna be, I think mine was $4.99 or it'll be $3.99, and I just chose the regular like ground shipping, which was, I think, if I'm not mistaken, like 3 to 10 days, 8 to 10 days, something like that. But it came fast, y'all. Like it came really quick, and they ship your stuff out the same day if you order before 5 p.m. So I got my hair offline. Plus, like in the beauty supply store, I could tell like people been opening the pack and touching on them and stuff. They didn't look as fresh as the ones that I got from Ebony Line. So I highly encourage you, if you have the time, to get them on ebonyline.com. It does ship fast. It ain't gonna take no 8 days. Like they said, at least it didn't for me. But I really like this. This is a really good summer style. I haven't went swimming in them, but about 1 and 2 I could go swimming. Another good thing about these, y'all, as well as like with all crochet, like I can get to my scalp easy to like oil it if I need to. But yeah, this is a really, really good summer style. I'm happy I got these. I only wanted to keep these in for like a month and a half, but they look so good even with them like growing out. Even with my new growth coming in, I still feel like they look really good. Y'all could comment down below and let me know what y'all think about these. Yeah, I was thinking about getting some other brand of crochet hair, but I was looking at the reviews and only like 8 or 10 pieces was coming in the pack, like maybe 8 pieces, and I'm like, I need more hair, and it costs more than these Freetress braids. So I was like, no, I'm not doing that. But I really like these, y'all. Like, hold on, let me see if I can show y'all how full it is. It's really full. Y'all do not have to get y'all's like as full as mine. Like I said, I use 6 packs, but depending on how you do your method and all of that, 5 packs would definitely be enough. As far as the installation time, I had got a relaxer when I got these too, so it took a little minute. But honestly, if you ain't getting no relaxing and all them treatments and stuff, it should really only take maybe 4 hours for y'all to get this in. The longest part was the method that I use. So if you just using your regular like straight back style braids, it should only maybe take you to no more than 4 hours. It won't take you that long to put these in. And like I said, they real light, like they real like it ain't no maintenance going into this. I do wrap my hair down at night, so I wrap down, make sure I cover my edges up with what my scarf at? I don't know my scarf at, but like use a silk or satin scarf like to tie it down at night, and then also put a bonnet on to protect the hair. Because like I said, if you just sleep with your hair like this, it's gonna like get older faster. Because like I said, it do kind of like I don't know if y'all can hear that, it do kind of like what's the best word I can use? I don't want to say nap up, because y'all heard that. That's what it get, like a little tingly, but not too bad. Like it's really not that bad if you just like do this through the day, like before you head out. It's fine. Like it's really like I told you, I haven't had hardly any issues with this crochet hair. And me, I would be liking crochet hair like that. Well, at least the ones that's not the braids, because you know regular crochet hair be napping up, be looking old fast, and I ain't got time. But the braids look beautiful. Like another plus to this, like I said, the installation time and the time that you have to sit down. Like from now on, like I only get crochet braids. Like I don't like having to sit down for hours. Then when you get them like regular individual braids, like you just getting like regular what's this called, butterfly locks or whatever, like it's gonna take a long time, like 12 hours or more, and who has time for that? And then they look older faster. This don't look as old as fast. Like the older they get, the prettier they look, and the braid remain intact for real. Like I said, I had that like little issue with some of them falling, like getting loose. I can't even find it. Oh, like this one getting loose, but it's really not. Like I wanted to just cut this off, it would still be a decent braid. Like it's really not that big of an issue. So if y'all thinking about trying butterfly locks, I highly encourage y'all to get these kind, because they did me really well. If y'all have any other questions about this hair, let me know. If y'all want to see more hair videos from me, comment down below, let me know. Make sure y'all subscribe. I do a variety of different type of videos on hair. Yeah, I love this. Like I really do love this hair, but I miss my weave, y'all. Like anybody who knows me knows I love wigs. Like I used to sell hair, y'all, but I stopped. But I love my wig. I got like 6-8 wigs ready to be reinstalled, baby. I'm ready for my wigs. I ain't gonna hold you. But this is a good style. Like I would definitely, it looks so natural. I love how beautiful, like it's like a real beautiful natural lock. I would definitely get these again. Like I'm not, y'all think I'm finna. Now as far as reusing these, I don't reuse crochet braids. I just don't. But as far as reusing these, I don't know, because like I told y'all about the nap part, the longer I wear these, probably the more like I would deal with that nap. So I don't know about reusing these. I'll probably just buy like fresh hair. But if y'all get them and y'all like them and y'all reuse them, let me know how they go, because you know, I'm up for saving a few dollars here and there. Let me know how that go for y'all. But yeah, as far as taking these out, I've had these in, it'll be 4 weeks. Let me hurry up and end this video because I keep running out of storage. But I'll probably keep these in maybe another 4 weeks, or maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, and take them out so I can get my wigs, y'all. But like I said, if y'all like this video, if y'all got questions about this hair, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And I appreciate y'all. I love y'all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.